guys, just a short video of my tankless water heater. I have to reset it because I had like error, like it says like it's C2, like it's like check ventilation pipe, and there's some like error. Press 3 seconds power for 3 seconds to reset it, or call the technician. So yeah, and I mean the hot water stopped working because of the error, right? So I unplug it and reset it, and it's come back. And but I opened the cover just to check the ventilation. So the ventilation is right there, and right there there's two that's going up the outside on the roof. And the only thing I notice here is, look at that, there's actually that's inside of that is like a fan, and as you can see, like it's clogged with dust. Yeah, even though it's covered, but it's like taking like the dust still goes in. So like I think that that's causing the error code C2. So I'm gonna vacuum that, and then let's see how it goes. Look at the difference. Lots of like build up gas. Alright guys, sorry about the shaky video, because I'm holding the cell phone with my one hand, and then the other hand is trying to hold the vacuum hose. So like as you can see the difference right there. Now it's so clean the inside. Anyway, just thought to share with you guys, like if you have the Bosch tankless, like all the tankless water heater, doesn't matter what brand, I think it's that it has that cooling system. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, but in case if you have the Bosch one, for sure make sure to clean this ventilation there, like that's the ventilation for the fan. And the people who install it and never mention it to me that I have to do that maintenance. So like I think it's a good tip to share with you guys. And yeah, all right, so thank you for watching, and bye bye.